Today I'm going to be making Ramen Noodle Egg Drop Soup. Absolute goodness if you ask me. Absolute goodness. First thing you're going to need is some ramen noodles. Right here I have chicken flavored ramen noodles. You're also going to need an egg. Alright. In my hand I also have some ginger. Let me show you the ginger. Sliced right here for flavoration. And I have some parsley for flavoration and coloration. Absolute goodness. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the ginger for flavoration. I'm just going to add this to the pot of boiling water, as you can see right here. The sliced, look how I sliced the ginger. Nicely sliced like a frisbee. Absolute goodness if you ask me. Absolute goodness. So I'm going to add it to there, and the water's going to boil, and it's going to bring out the flavoration from the ginger. All right. While that's going on, I'm going to open up the packet of ramen noodles. All right. And while inside of the packet, I'm going to pull out another packet, the chicken flavor, and I'm going to open this up and add this to the boiling water with the ginger. That way the flavoration really permeates. And I'm going to stir it like this. Alright, now once I've put that in there and it's dissolved a little bit, I'm going to add the ramen noodles while eating some of the crunchies. Absolute goodness. Alright, and then this is going to boil for a couple of minutes. Alright, probably like 3.5 minutes it's going to boil. I'm going to flip it so it's not medium rare. Alright. So I'm going to let this come back to a boil. Now while all this is going on, I'm actually going to take my parsley and add it to the pot. Just let it float on top. Let me zoom in so you can see it floating on top. You see the parsley floating on top? Absolute goodness. Alright, while that's going on, I'm going to go over to my egg, right? And I'm going to take the egg and I'm going to crack it. Alright. And then put it in the bowl. Now once it's in the bowl right there, let me go ahead and stir up the ramen noodles. Let me zoom back over here. Ramen noodles. Flip it because I don't want it to be medium rare. I want it to be medium well, al dente. Absolute goodness. Alright. Just gonna unfold that and then let me go back over to the egg. Alright. So I'm gonna take the egg and I'm gonna beat the egg. I'm gonna beat it. Keep on beating it until it's really mixturated together. Just keep on beating it until your arm gets tired. Alright, my arm's tired. Done. And then I'm going to go back over to the ramen noodles. Let me zoom back over. Alright. And then I'm just going to stir the ramen noodles to make sure they get cooked al dente. Alright. Now, when they're pre-al dente, like they are right now, I'm going to take the egg and then I'm going to pour it inside, just like that. Alright? Now once inside, I'm going to take my fork and spin it like this. Alright? Now what this does, it gets the egg spread-aerated around and it allows it to cook. Alright? So I'm going to allow this to cook for a good 7 more seconds, and then it's going to be done, and I'll be able to add it to my bowl. As you can see, let me zoom in. You can see the egg actually cook right here. Okay, you want to make sure the egg is done. The noodles are almost al dente. All right, actually they are al dente right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn off the pot. Let me find a clean bowl. Found a clean bowl, clean, voila. All right, and then I'm going to take the ramen noodles and pour it into the bowl. All right, let me zoom over so you can see this. And that's how you make ramen noodle egg drop soup. Absolute goodness if you ask me. Absolute goodness.